Hello and welcome back to the Oven Cook. What I'm going to do today is a nice little oven dish with chicken and feta, tomatoes, mushrooms, some mixed herbs. I've got some dill and chives, bit of pepper, don't think I'll need salt, and a little bit of olive oil. That's for that part. Then I'm going to make up a potato salad. So I'll get all this prepped up and we'll be back soon. See you soon. Basically butterfly them out. So we've got like 4 of them. Mixed herbs. It's like Italian herby things. Loosen these up a bit. Get some garlic. Okay, so I don't want to go too mad with these because they're going to go in the oven. Oh and yeah, of course, cheers. Okay, so they're done because they're going to cook in the oven as well. So what I'm going to do is flop these in here. Just turn the heat off of that. This is olive butter. That's all we have in this this house anyway. So nice nice scoop of olive butter. Yeah, and sort of like don't go too mad cooking the mushrooms either, because they're going to go in the oven, and if you cook them too much here they end up going soggy, like soggy mushrooms. So basically I just want a little bit of colour with the butter that's in there, and it'll be groovy. Right, so these are good to go. I'm going to put these tomatoes in with it. Just give that a little bit of heat. I don't want to go too mad with them either. So we've got our chicken that's 3/4 of the way cooked, with all the Italian seasoning and garlic. These are done now. These are tomato. I don't want to cook any more than this. So this is going to over the top. All that good stuff. Dill. So this is going to go over the top. And this is feta cheese. That's why I said I'm going to do away with the salt. So this has all been grated. So this is going over the top of this. Get the rest of our chives and dill over the top of this. Black pepper. As you know, I like black pepper. So that's that. And I'm not going to put any salt in with that because it's salty enough, especially the amount of feta cheese I just put in there. Another bowl out. tin potatoes. I'm just going to chop these up. Right. So I've got some obviously peppers. I can't see. They will if I turn the camera around.
Done. Can I see you pouring a drink?
No, they can't see you getting your alcohol either.
Oh, shut up.
I'll just get the this nice bit of goodness in the oven. Right, so they're going in here. 4 spring onions. The spring onions. And obviously just put them in the old egg slicer. And what I do, I'll take them out, turn them back round again, and then flop them in the old the bowl. This nice bit of mayonnaise. Black pepper. Put a lid on that for a minute. Yeah, so that is it. The chicken, obviously buried underneath with the mushrooms, the tomatoes, and all the herbs and all that good stuff. Some olive butter, olive oil, and tomatoes. Obviously feta cheese covering the whole lot of it. A little bit of rocket. Tomatoes there. And a couple of little mushrooms. On with it. So, okay, so there we have it. A nice bit of chicken, marinated with like Italian herbs, cooked in garlic. Mushrooms and tomatoes cooked in some olive butter, feta cheese on top, some dill and chives. Get a potato and egg salad with our peppers and spring onions, potatoes and all that good stuff. A little bit of rocket underneath to bed it on, and it's going to be really tasty. So that's it. Thank you very much. See you all again soon. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.